Hey guys, welcome to part 1 on how to blender build a car. In this episode, we will get blueprint and set it up and make sure it's accurate. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to theblueprints.com, or you can find a blueprint off the internet in Google Images, but they're not always there. So the car I'm going to be doing is a 1995 BMW M3. So once you go to theblueprints.com, type in the car beginning. So I'm doing the BMW M3, and they give you multiple choices. So just look for the one which is your year. So 1992, 99, that's one. I'm good. Okay, so don't save this picture right here because it's not high quality and everything. So click inspect, and then you'll see a bunch of links here. Just click on one of them and then save it. But I only saved one because I'm in a previous recording and something happened. So yeah. So then you have it, and now go open up Blender. And this tutorial is for Blender 2.79, not for 2.8 yet. So first, just press A 2 times to delete everything. Then click the plus icon. Then check the background images. And click this arrow. Then add 4 of them. That makes 4. Then make the front one, the first one, side, which is right. And the second one, front. The third one, back. And the last one, top. And now what you want to do is click open image and go to where you saved the picture. And now you won't see it, but what you have, so you'll need a numpad, or if you don't have a numpad, to do this, you click on file, user preferences, editing, you go to input and click and check emulate numpad, and then save it. And then you can use the normal numbers on your keyboard to make it work, but I have a numpad, so I don't have to worry about that. So press 3 for side view, and you won't see it because you'd been ordered. So click 5, then your view will change a bit. Then click 3 for side view, and then you see the blueprint. What you need to do, you will have to get the wheels to line up onto the green line. So just use this one and try to line it close as possible. And so it might go past it or not too close. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it back there. I'm going to turn the 0 into a 5, which lines up with the wheels a bit. It's fine if it overlaps a bit, but I might just change it to 4. Yeah. So now you got this one lined up, so copy it. And then instead of keep adding a new image, just click on this icon. Click on that, and for front view, click 1. Then for the part where the wheels touch, just paste it in here. And by this won't work for the back, so you'll have to try to do it by yourself again. And then use this one to make it like exactly to the middle, which is the blue line. Then get it lined up as close as possible. Usually, if the car's a shark fin, I like lining up with that, but this car's a bit older, so I'm trying to line this glue right here. So and to make sure everything's lined up, we're going to make sure it is soon. it's a bit blurry, so just kind of bear with me. Like even if you do inspect, you somewhat get the clearest one, but you can pay um $23 if you want to get a clear blueprint, but it's kind of waste of money, so I just don't do that. Okay, I guess that's close enough. And then what you want to do for the back one, just copy it, and then do the same thing for the back. And for the back, there's two ways to go to back. I forgot the other one, but the one I use to go to back, I press 1 first, then I press 9. I think to go to the back, I think it's control 1. Yeah, you can also do control 1 if you want to do that. So as you so paste it into here, and then get it lined up with the back wheel. So you have to slide it like this for it to work. It should be much easier. There, so we got it lined up there. Not exactly lined up. The back will like try to get it lined up. If you're probably using a BMW, the logo will be lined up in the center, so you could try using that, I guess. And you can use the same color as me if you want to. Like, oh shit, never mind. There, that's good. The front is different for some reason, so yeah. Then you want to do a top one. Click 7 for top view. What you want to do, you want to go to rotate right here and type in -90. Once you do that, use this one, get it lined up. So just use these numbers to get lined up as close as possible. It may not be exactly accurate. So now we're gonna make sure everything. So like if your thing like is like right here, whatever, press Shift C, yeah, and then go to your side view, go to create, and press a cube, or you can just do Shift A, mesh, in cube. So what you want to do, to get this cube lined up on the green line over here, there, and now you want to turn on mirror. So go to add modifiers here, click mirror, and so now what you want to do, go to this thing down here, click on the face. So now you can move this over here. So now you don't have to move two sides at once. And turn on clipping in mirror. Do this. And now you'll have something like this. Go to your side view and try to get it lined up exactly. So press Z for wireframe mode so you can see through. Get it lined up exactly. Farthest part. And same thing with the top. There, and now go to front, and get this lined up. And also you may crop the blueprints if you want to, but I just don't like cropping it because I'm the type of person. I'm gonna top view, so we can see the blueprint is a bit off because this part's coming out, but not on this side. So what we can do, wait, I think it's the same thing with the front also. Yeah, this thing is not touching like this one. Wait a second. maybe to move over a bit more to the left. Let's see if that works. Probably 3. Like I made cards with shark fin antennas. It just do it with shark fin. That's like the easiest way to line it up. Usually for me, I don't know about other people, but older cards kind of harder for me. Then go to top view, fix the same. That's not lined up. Uh, Same thing there. So we want to do the same thing for top view again. Let's just fix it a bit. And then I do the back view, which should already be lined up because of everything we did. Good. So now I have everything lined up. You may delete the box and make sure to save it. And that was part one on how to set up blueprints to make your blender building for your blender build car. In the next part, I will be tracing on how to do the hood and possibly the bumper or fender. And then we will continue on more parts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.